This video is for the insurance assessment or CTE.PF.7. Just kind of want to explain a couple of the questions. This first one here, you'll have a couple like this where you have a fictitious person, you have some information here about them, and then you need to kind of decide like what type of insurance would they need. So for auto insurance and health insurance, you should be giving me specifics that were discussed in the unit. You can always feel free to kind of give me an explanation as well. Renters, homeowners, and life insurance is just basically kind of like a yes or a no and telling me why they would or would not need those. So like I said, there's a few of them that are set up like that. And then, let's see. Can't remember which one it was. Okay, and then this one, you're just looking at health insurance and telling me all the information about it in this column: coverage, key risk, basically why would we want health insurance, why would we want automobile insurance, the importance of it, and then just giving me an example. And so you'll fill out both of these columns for their respective insurances. So just a little bit more insight on kind of what I'm looking for on those few assessment questions.